Starting around 02 September 2023, Dogecoin most certainly is exchanging at $0.064 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.82% in by and large for the most part. Most recent 1 hour in and in every practical sense, certainly significant way. Doge fundamentally has a kind of complete market cap of $9,9,633,647, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $237,901,598, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. This truly makes Dogecoin, Doge fundamentally by and large positioning at 7 in the digital currency market, which most certainly basically is very critical in a significant manner. In the event that you entirely are a crypto financial backer and considering what certainly truly is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin basically be especially commonly worth in 2023, which generally especially is very critical. Is Dogecoin a sort of wise venture or entirely worth purchasing in 2023 in a kind of enormous manner? Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Will Doge cost actually especially outperform its untouched quite high in a sort of exceptionally significant manner in an unpretentious manner? These quite are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in a genuinely significant manner. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2023. As per the Dogecoin gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost truly is supposed to explicitly truly cross a lovely kind of normal value level of $0.093. The normal sort of commonly least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the sort of lovely current year ought to generally sort of be $0.089 in a genuinely enormous manner incredibly. Besides Doge can sort of in a real sense arrive at an all things considered, really most extreme value level of $0.098, which essentially explicitly is genuinely huge in a quite large manner. Dogecoin value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin certainly is supposed to basically generally be at around an essentially least of $0.072, which for the most part explicitly is genuinely critical. Dogecoin cost can by and large generally arrive at a very limit of $0.082, with the extremely normal cost of $0.080 in United States dollars. Dogecoin value expectation September 2023. The cost of Dogecoin generally by and large is basically anticipated to fundamentally certainly reach at a truly least worth of $0.080 in September 2023, or so they for the most part basically thought in a truly significant manner. The Doge cost could explicitly essentially arrive at a very most extreme worth of $0.085, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.083 all through 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation October 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.082 and $0.089, while the truly normal exchanging cost should sort of in a real sense be around $0.086, or so they generally thought, which explicitly is very critical. Dogecoin value expectation November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin for the most part basically is in every way that really matters, anticipated to explicitly reach at an entirely least worth of $0.086 in November 2023. Genuinely further appearance how this generally makes Dogecoin, Doge in every way that really matters, positioning at 7 in the digital currency market, all things considered. In spite of mainstream thinking in a by and large huge manner, the Doge cost could in a real sense arrive at an especially sort of greatest worth of $0.093, with the truly lovely typical exchanging worth of $0.089 all through 2023, or so they truly thought in an all things considered significant way. Dogecoin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin entirely is generally especially anticipated to reach at a very extremely least worth of $0.089 in December 2023, which in every practical sense, in a real sense is genuinely huge, which really is very critical. The Doge cost could for the most part certainly arrive at an especially by and large greatest worth of $0.098, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.093 all through 2023. Which basically by and large is very critical in a fundamentally enormous manner. Dogecoin extremely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost quite has shown an especially very great increment of 1.14% in the very especially most recent 24 hours, which especially is genuinely critical, which is genuinely huge. From especially essentially most recent 7 days, the Doge really was in certainly very great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.59%, sort of extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking in a significant way. Dogecoin essentially for the most part has shown reasonably kind of solid pretty extremely potential of late. And this could be certainly commonly great chance to generally dive right in and put resources into an unobtrusive way. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge for the most part certainly diminished by 32.628%, wiping out an incredible most certainly by and large normal amount of $0.031 from its kind of current worth, which is very huge in a very enormous manner. This unexpected down in a real sense basically implies that the coin explicitly essentially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a genuinely decent buy and large in a real sense purchase a potential open door for pretty speedy venture, pretty especially in spite of mainstream thinking, which is very critical. The 90 days cost change truly sort of is near 25.94%. And the cost most certainly circled from an entirely least extremely normal cost of $0.085 to in every practical sense, essentially greatest normal cost of $0.088 in the very beyond 90 days, or so they explicitly sort of thought in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin actually fundamentally is somewhere near 10.51% with the very greatest buy and large normal cost of the coin was around $0.076 and the very certainly least genuinely normal cost of essentially in a real sense was around $0.073 in certainly genuinely beyond 4 months kind of additional appearance. How this generally in every practical sense makes Dogecoin, Doge kind of especially positioning at 7 in the digital money market, which for the most part especially is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value conjecture 2023 facts. What will by and large be Dogecoin kind of worth in 2023, which for the most part explicitly is very huge, which generally is genuinely critical. The Doge cost in every way that really matters, generally is determined to essentially arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.098, with kind of exceptionally least cost of $0.089, toward the finish of 2023, in an unpretentious manner. Does Dogecoin entirely have a future in an unobtrusive manner in a significant way? As far as value, Dogecoin especially basically has an extraordinary extremely potential to generally arrive at new levels. Or so they basically thought, which is genuinely critical. It basically really is conjecture that Doge will increment in esteem, or so they essentially thought, in